This is topic B on page 66, Managing Your Mailbox Size. You've used the available tools in Outlook to organize the messages you receive, including junk mail. The more email messages you receive and keep, the more space those messages take up in your mailbox. Every Outlook mailbox running on an Exchange server has a space limitation. When your mailbox exceeds its limit, you'll be unable to send and receive messages. It is critical to know how to manage the size of your mailbox to prevent interruptions to mail services. So first, your mailbox size. Mailboxes have two size limits, a soft lower limit and a hard upper limit. When your mailbox approaches the soft lower limit, you will begin receiving email notifications warning you that your mailbox is approaching its size limit. You will still be able to receive messages, but you'll be unable to send messages from your account until you delete items or move them off of the server. When your mailbox meets or exceeds the hard upper limit, you'll no longer be able to receive or send messages, and you would have to reduce your mailbox size by deleting items or moving them off the server. So to see the size of the space you're using in Outlook, you just click on your File tab to access your Backstage view, and you can see if you scroll down, you have a Mailbox Cleanup section. It says manage the size of your mailbox by emptying deleted items and archiving. So it shows exactly how much space you have available. So you can see I have 2 gigabytes available, and how much you're using, how much you have free right now. So I have 1.98 gigabytes free. I have a lot of messages in there right now. I have a lot of meetings, appointments, a lot of different Outlook items, but you can see it does not take up much space. So you really have to use a lot of space on our particular Exchange server, I should say, until you meet that soft lower limit, and even more to hit that hard upper limit where you won't be able to send or receive messages. If you ever need to free up some space, you can go to your Cleanup Tools drop down and Mailbox Cleanup. Excuse me. Here you can view your mailbox size. Clicking on that, you can see how much local space you're using on one tab and your server data on the next tab. So both of these are very similar, but you can see the total size that it's taking up is going to be different. So one's on your local computer and one's actually on the server. And then it breaks it up folder by folder on exactly how much space you're using in each one. So it would be easy to see what folder or what items are making you hit that, limit of your mailbox size. So you would need to delete some items from there. So you can see my inbox is taking up the most size here. So I would want to go to my inbox, maybe delete or move any unnecessary messages out of there to free up some space. All right, and then we'll take a look at the rest of these sections in a later chapter. You can also view your deleted items folder as well. So we delete a lot of items out of our mailboxes and our different workspaces in Outlook, but sometimes we forget to empty out our deleted items folder. So if we click on this, it would show you all the files that are in here and how much space it's taking up. Mine is empty right now, so I'm good with that, but you could always empty that out to free up the space, because even though you deleted them, they're still taking up space in your folders. So you want to delete them for good from there, and it will empty some space out for you. Your next video will be Activity 3.2 on page 70.